Hey there, Shopify merchants! Welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks to elevate your e-commerce game. We're going to show you how to set up payment gateways in Shopify. There are 6 steps in total, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to configure payment options to make it easy for your customers to pay. Let's get started. Why are payment gateways so important? Simply put, offering multiple and convenient payment options can reduce cart abandonment, increase sales, and improve customer satisfaction. Ensuring your customers have a smooth and secure payment process is crucial for the success of your online store. Let's start by accessing your payment settings in Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click on Settings, and then select Payments. This is where you'll configure your payment gateways. Adding PayPal as a payment method is a great way to give your customers more options. PayPal is widely used and trusted by online shoppers. Under the Payments section, find PayPal and click Activate. Log into your PayPal account or create a new one, and follow the prompts to connect PayPal to your Shopify store. To cater to a broader audience, consider enabling alternative payment methods. Shopify supports a variety of options such as Google Pay, Apple Pay, and Amazon Pay. In the Payments section, scroll down to Alternative Payment Methods, choose the ones you want to enable, and follow the setup instructions for each. To optimize your payment gateways even further, you can use Buy Now, Pay Later apps. But how do you choose the best one? That's where Taranker comes in. Taranker offers comprehensive reviews and comparisons of various payment optimization apps, helping you make an informed decision. Go to Taranker.com and navigate to the Shopify Payment Provider Apps category. You can also use the Compare feature to evaluate different apps based on user reviews and detailed comparisons. Once you've selected the Buy Now, Pay Later app that fits your needs, you can proceed to install it. For this example, we'll use Cash-Free BNPL Plus. Search for Cash-Free BNPL Plus on Taranker, click Install App, and follow the prompts to install it. Once installed, open the app and connect it to your Shopify store. Afterpay allows your customers to make purchases and pay in installments, which can boost your sales and customer satisfaction. After setting up your payment gateways, it's important to monitor their performance. Use Shopify's built-in analytics to track your transactions and identify any issues. Regularly review your payment reports to ensure everything is running smoothly and make adjustments as needed to optimize your checkout process. And that's it! You've learned how to set up payment gateways in Shopify in 6 steps. By following these steps and leveraging the right tools, you can offer your customers a seamless and secure payment experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Taranker for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!